by Middle East money, but there is no evidence. But we gave report of indiscriminate arrest and extrajudicial of Rohingya villages and not allow them to perform the Quran in some areas. The one that we could do are the Qurbani in the Bangladesh.
Important to review the situation of Rohingyas in Myanmar and elsewhere. Therefore, thank you very much for organizing for this contact group meeting. And I would like to thank the Special Envoy of the Secretary General, His Excellency Tan Sri Said Hamid Alba, for updating us and for preparing this report. We have the full support to your report, sir. One thing is clear, our brothers and sisters in Rakhine State in Myanmar need our help, and OSCE can play an important role in helping them. Our first step should be to closely follow the developments as Special Envoy has been doing so. I myself paid an official visit to Myanmar in June during the Holy Ramadan. I also visited Rakhine State. In my meetings with Myanmar authorities, I expressed the expectations of the Islamic world on the situation of Muslims in Myanmar.
We should not object to the, I think, the action of the Myanmar government or the military.
And we have co-sponsored UN resolutions. We are looking forward to the cooperation of our fellow OSCE members, and it is our collective duty to stop the suffering of our Muslim brothers and sisters everywhere in the world. Thank you very much for this opportunity, Mr. Chairman.